Adding a water slide to your outdoor swimming pool raises the bar on the amount of fun you and your family will have this summer. Choose the correct slide and both children and adults can feel the excitement of whizzing down the turret and splashing into the pool. But what is the best backyard water slide on the market today? We've taken a close look, and in this video, we will present you the top 5 pool slides on the market today. So if you want to know what pool slide will work for you, stay tuned. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these pool slides, you can check out the links down in the description and comment section below. Now let's get into the video. First on the list, we have the SR Smith 670 Typhoon Pool Slide. The SR Smith 670 Typhoon gets our top pick because it perfectly balances affordability with size and capacity necessary to provide fun for the whole family. While it is not the tallest slide in our top 5, it still comes in at a respectable 7 feet 4 inches tall, more than sufficient to feel the wind through your hair as you rush towards the pool. It has a wide and deep fume with the capability to deliver 25 gallons of water per minute. For hookup, it also has the provision to be connected to a garden hose, which is a great feature. As long as you switch off the hose after use, the system is also eco-friendly and ensures that not much water is wasted while you play. It is resistant to corrosion and other atmospheric conditions responsible for shortening the lifespan of your average pool slide. In short, your initial investment will provide lots of fun for many years to come. It comes in 2 earth tone colored variants, sandstone and granite gray, and you can choose in either left or right curve design. It has the ability to accommodate adults and children weighing a total of 275 pounds. The manufacturers have designed the slide so that you can make the most out of your available garden space and enjoy a high level of fun at a very reasonable price. To sum up, this is a great pool slide that combines a fun height and size with a smaller footprint to fit most pool slides. Equipped with a lot of interesting features and also appropriate safety measures, you and your family will get years of fun out of this slide. By the way, if there is another product that you would like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments section down below and we'll make that happen. Next on the list, we have the Interfab ADR1 CRT Adrenaline Pool Slide. The Interfab water slide has an interesting design. It is sleek and stylish and has a unique structure to enable greater comfort when you slide down. It also is designed so that it appears as if it's made from ceramic. It has a high tensile strength and is extra durable, having the ability to withstand adverse climatic conditions. The dimensions are impressive on this one. Measuring at 10 feet 1 inch tall, it also has a massive flume length of 16 feet 8 inches. This is a slide where it is definitely possible to get a swift speed up before hitting the water. It has a strong ladder for safe climbing to its top and also features a specially designed base for extra stability. This results in a capacity to sustain a maximum of 300 pounds to accommodate most adults and children. It has a pre-launch splash zone, which provides great thrill when you splash into its waters at such great speeds. It is also salt pool proof with certain components made from stainless steel, which gives it a long lifespan even in harsh conditions and prevents it from corrosion and rusting. It takes an assembly time of 2 hours and requires a continuous water flow of 15 to 25 gallons per minute while in use. It requires a deck space of 15 feet by 8 feet for proper installation and comes with a 3-year warranty. To summarize, if high thrills and good weight capacity are what you're looking for, this offering from Interfab is the water slide to go for. It doesn't come cheap, however. If this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, we do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed to providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. So if you don't want to miss anything, please consider subscribing. Next on the list, we have the SR Smith 688 Turbo Twister Pool Slide. This elegant water pool slide from SR Smith has a roto-modeled design for increased durability. It is made from an alloy, thereby giving it a greater tensile to withstand long-term use and exposure to the elements. Like the other water slides in our list, the Turbo Twister is salt pool friendly. It can hold a total weight of 275 pounds, meaning both adults and children can safely speed down the flume. It is quite similar to the SR Smith 670 Typhoon in design, that the increased height, it comes in at 8 feet 7 inches tall, and capacity does mean greater thrills are possible. It is more expensive, however. The enclosed ladder design helps ensure safety while climbing to the top. It has got a high-volume watery delivery system fetching in more than 40 gallons of water per minute. A very good feature sees water collected at the bottom of the chute and fed to the top to reduce wastage. Its construction is such that it offers maximum strength and durability. It comes in either sandstone or gray granite, giving you the opportunity to opt for a color that best matches your backyard design. The Turbo Twister also comes with a generous 3-year warranty. Available in 2 models, along with 2 different variants, this pool slide certainly delivers. It loses out to our top pick, the Typhoon, mostly based on its price. Next on the list, we have the Interfab ZM CR SS Zoomerang Pool Slide. This child-friendly water slide pool is 3 feet high or 37 inches and offers extra grip support for safety during climbing to the top. It features an open and airy design for a comfortable ride down the slide. It meets or even exceeds the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Standard for swimming pool slides and therefore are completely reliable as far as the safety of the slide is concerned. Compared to the other slides in our list, this is certainly small. It weighs only 67.7 pounds, and of course, at 3 feet tall, you're not going to get a huge speed up. That being said, it provides ample fun for children and will take the weight of adults too. One issue to consider is the fact that it's only available in a right turn configuration. It has a deep U-shaped flume to give greater pleasure when you slide down into the pool. It only offers a 1-year warranty, so that you need to handle the slide with care after the given time frame. To summarize, this product is somewhat smaller in size, because of which you should be careful when selecting this. If there are children in your home, you can definitely opt for this, but it may not be suitable if you're buying it only for adults. To finish, we have the SR Smith 698 Cyclone Pool Slide. An alternative small-scale water slide is this offering from SR Smith. Measuring at 4 feet 1 inch tall with a flume length of 6 feet 10 inches, this will keep both adults and children happy in a pool area of limited space. It features a reliable root model design for added strength and durability. It is somewhat compact in size and is perfect if you have a limited deck space available. It has the capacity to accommodate a maximum weight of 175 pounds and comes with a wide and deep flume, ensuring safe exit of anyone slip sliding on their way. This slide is available in 3 different color shades: taupe, sandstone, and gray granite to match the tone of your backyard design. Its features are similar to those of the Turbo Twister mentioned previously, with the only difference that this one is somewhat smaller in size and can accommodate in smaller areas too. It requires an exclusive installation and it can be assembled easily within 1 hour with minimum workforce and labor, and comes with a warranty of 3 years. To sum up, it is a great product with ample strength and durability in what is a compact design. Highly recommended with those on a tighter budget and limited deck space. This SR Smith pool slider is one of the best sellers on Amazon in its category, and we have put a link to that product in the description section below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so you don't miss anything. And if you're interested in finding the best prices of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description and comment section below.